Okay, this is Stormy Reinhardt with Citrus Weather Live. And as you can see, this is a blizzard 2015. Right now, we're in a snow hole, but as you can see, the snow is already starting to pick up again. We were in a snow hole from this morning up until now, so we decided to start filming now, as blizzard conditions are going to start coming over the area again. The winds are starting to die down a little bit. They were very, very strong last night, and I'm glad that no one lost power. Only like a little bit lost power, but not too many people. And those were like on the Cape mostly. So let's see, there's a lot of drifting snow here, so it's hard to get an accurate measurement of exactly how much snow we have, because in some places it's very little. And in some places, as you can see right there, that was a big drifting spot like I was talking about last night. That usually is in Nemo, was even higher. And actually, you'll see that throughout the day, where that's going to get even higher and higher when we get more snow. So let's take a look right here in this drift. This is about 13 inches deep, so we have about a 13-inch drift right here. So as you can see right here, it's only an inch. And the reason for that is because this is blowing snow right here. If you can see it all around me, it's blowing snow. That means that the snow's so light and powdery, it's very cold, and there's no water content in it. It's very dry snow. If you try to throw it, it'll be more successful than last night, but see? Again. That means that it shows you how little water content is. Oh, look at over there, you can see also how it blows it completely blows the snow and it drifts like it. See, I'm going to measure how deep this drift is. This is the biggest drift in the house usually. I'm going to get short just a little bit. That's 29 inches deep. That's a big snow drift. It's actually, apparently that's what they're seeing in like Worcester for like snow depth. So this is, I'm guessing we have about a foot on the ground right now. We're expecting another 8 inches probably. I'd say we end up with like 20-22 inches maybe, similar to what we saw in Nemo. Let's go look at the road conditions. If we can even get out, I don't even know if we can get out of here. I'm wearing my ski goggles because the conditions are so bad right now. Let's see. The snow is getting in my boots right now. This is fun. You can see more drifts right here, along here, right here. And also right there too. They form interesting shapes too, because the wind blows them around. The interesting patterns of anything. Like cars are very weird shapes, and so as a result, the drifts are right here too. Oh jeez, okay, that's cold. We do want to go see the road conditions now, so. Just get over the snowbank. Oh, and look, you can see all the water from last year. It's all frozen too. That's all water and it's all ice. It's rock solid too. So the whole thing is like a skating rink. This is my own personal skating rink. This is so cool. And as I told you before, that's a normal spot because the house is blocking the wind in that area, or it's not blocking the wind, and the wind comes from that way. We never have, what it's like how we never had that much accumulation in this sky. There's no snow here at all, really. It's just... So if we walk down here, we're going to see a lot more snow. This is more accurate to measure, so we'll get a measurement once we're further out here. Oh, here we go. Here's more deeper snow. Let's take a measurement here. That's right. 11 inches of snow here. We're gonna expect another 6 to 8 inches. You're probably gonna get 20 inches probably around that. So, the totals went down. They were expecting a lot less than I thought. But New York City, they thought they were gonna get a lot more, and they only got like 8 inches of snow. So this is very good compared to them. Let's go take a look at the road conditions. Measurement right here. 18 inches, that's a lot of snow. That's almost 25 feet. Snow that melts. No mail today, they canceled it. Road conditions are still really bad. The sidewalks are clear, so no, don't go for inches of snow, and that's because the trees are blocking it right there. You see over there? See I was talking about the drifting again? It pushes the snow up against my car right there, and it makes very deep snow drifts. Oh, and look over there too. That's it. It looks like there's like smoke coming off the road. The snow, it's blowing, so it's very dry and inconsistency. The coastal flooding. Apparently, the coastal flooding, a couple of people had to be evacuated. There was a couple involuntary evacuations. According to NESN, they were in the Avs, and the numbered Avs, and places in Hammerock. There was a lot of flooding there, and there's going to be another high tide at around 5 tonight. So I will be monitoring that to see how bad the storm surge will be. I don't think it will be too much worse than the last one, because the storm will be winding down at that point. So, but I'll keep an eye on it. The conditions here, and they shut down the power there too, so anyone in the flood zone had the power shut down. The conditions here right now are still flurry. It's not too bad, but it's going to start picking up a little bit because the bands start going by really slowly, and it's really going to start. And you can see the winds are really howling right now, and the snow is going to keep drifting. But again, this storm's not over. Even though we're in a snow hole right now, or Marshfield's really in the snow hole right now, they're not getting anything. If you see anything, like this plow guy shows you that this is not over yet. Otherwise it wouldn't be out. They would have already done it right now. Yeah, it really shows you that this storm's not over yet, and that you still have a lot more to go. Because it's going to keep going until like early tomorrow morning, blizzard conditions. So I don't let your guard down. This is still going to be a very, very big storm. This is Stormy Reinhardt signing off.